So the first thing I want to do is to do that. Thanks. Thanks in the water droplet. So with this, I want to remove the needle and push it in very well. Why am I pushing it in very well? It's very common in dogs, and we just want to drain all of the fluid in the abdomen. When we are able to drain all of the fluid in the abdomen, there will be relief. The dog will be able to breathe fine, and at least we'll be able to save the dog's life before we ascertain the cause.